What's up, Odooers? My name is Jose Ignacio, and welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at how to handle some more complex shipping scenarios here at Stealthywood. In a perfect world, every order would fit into a single neat box, but we know that's not always the case. Sometimes an order is simply too large to fit in a single container. Or, as is the case in today's video, certain items shouldn't be packaged together, just so we can avoid shipping damage during transit. Thankfully, Odoo makes it easy to create multiple packages for a single delivery order, giving us the flexibility to package every item exactly how it needs to be handled. Let's dive into the configuration and see how we prepare our company for multi-package shipping. Before we can do anything, we need to make sure that packages is enabled inside of the inventory configuration settings. So first, let's go into inventory, open up configuration and settings. Okay, so actually funny enough, it's right here at the top. We want to make sure that the checkbox next to packages is enabled. And if you're just enabling this for the first time, don't forget to hit save in the top left corner to save your changes. So with this out of the way, let's head back to our inventory dashboard and see how we can organize a delivery order into separate packages. So back over here on overview. Someone's actually placed an order for our refinishing bundle. Let's check it out. We're going to click on this one to deliver right here. And then we're going to open up our delivery order. Oh, that's going to be a little bit of a problem. As we can see here, most of our products are in stock, but looking at the wood finish itself, we only have one left. And you can see that we have that in the quantity field, but our demand is more. It's 2. Not to worry though. We can ship out what we have now and create a back order for the remaining wood finish. To make sure that Sawyer receives his order in perfect condition, the warehouse team follows a separation protocol. Because the wood finish is a liquid inside of an aerosol container, which is under pressure, we package it separately to eliminate any risk of accidental leaks or punctures that could damage the tarp, and gloves as well inside of here during transit. If we were just packaging everything together to go at once, we could just click the, in this case, put in pack button down below and be done with it. We need to ship things separately, though, due to the separation protocol. So let's package the gloves and tarp together first. Instead of clicking put and pack like we normally would, we're going to click on our nice little details link over here that we have. And we're going to do the one next to the gloves. All right, perfect. So here inside of our pop-up window that we have, we're going to specify a destination package. We're going to name this one Prep Gear. Nice little capital 2 right there. And we're going to hit enter for that one. Okay, great. Now we're going to hit save. Boom. Now let's add the tarp to the same one as well. Select details again. See if it'll just autofill. Oh, it does. I love you, Odoo. Perfect. Okay, we're all set. We're going to hit save. Great. Just like that, we're done. Let's create a new package for the single canister of wood finish as well that's available. So we're going to click on the details link for that one over there. And we're going to name this one as our destination package, wood finish. Create that, click away and hit save. Boom. I love that it tells us immediately and we know that everything looks fine because we could see it right there under the packages column. Now I'm going to go ahead and click validate to confirm that we are sending off 2 packages. And since we're one item short, we get a pop-up asking if we want to create a back order for the wood finish that we don't have in stock. I'm going to go ahead and click create back order over here. And look at that. When we do this, the delivery order is complete for the items that we shipped. And for traceability's sake, the back order delivery order is linked over here, as we can also tell, inside of our chatter area. Now all we have to do is wait for, in our case, the wood finish to come back in stock. So it's a few days later, and as luck would have it, our wood finish is back in stock. Let's complete that back order. So we're going to select our back order button over here, and we're going to click on it. Okay, perfect. So here, it's just like any other delivery order. We're going to click the put in pack button that we have over there, and we're going to stick it in its own little package. Since it's on its own, we can just click validate right there. And just like that, Sawyer Spruce gets all of his gear, the tarp and gloves, and everything stays dry and separate. And honestly, we've mastered a lot, including the art of multiple shipments. By using multiple packages, you're not just organized, you're prepared for the entire realities of a busy warehouse. Remember, Odoo gives you two ways to split things up: creating individual packages or using back orders to ship what's ready today and handle the rest later. Whether it's separating liquids from linens or breaking down a massive order into manageable boxes, Odoo gives you control over every item's journey. I'm going to be sure to link some related videos and documentation down below. Now go forth and pack with confidence. Just maybe double check the lid on that wood finish before you seal the box. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Go grab a snack.